The point on the number line, number 6, the point on the number line shows the location of negative 3.5. Match each expression in a box shown to show its correct location on the number line. So, A says negative 3.5 plus negative 2. So we are going down 2 spaces from negative 3.5. So let's hop 1 to negative 4.5. Hop 1 more to negative 5.5. This is going to be A. Now we could also have solved this. Negative 3.5 and negative 2 makes negative 5.5. And that's exactly where that is. So that's good. Negative 3.5 minus negative 7 is the same as negative 3.5 plus 7. So we're going to actually go up 7 spaces. So 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm hopping to halfway points. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are here at 3.5, which makes some sense because 7 spaces is 2 chunks of 3.5. So we go up 3.5 to get to 0, and we still have 3.5 to go. Negative 3.5 plus 7 equals positive 3.5. Okay, the next one says negative 3.5 minus 1. Well, we've got negative 3.5 as our starting point. We're just going down 1. So there we are at negative 4.5. That's C. And that makes sense. Negative 3.5 made 1 more negative is negative 4.5. Negative 3.5 plus 4. Well, we're going to go up 4 spaces. Well, you might notice that 3.5 is pretty close to 4. So you're canceling out 3.5 of that 4. You'll get to 0. So we go up 3.5 spaces, we'll be at 0. We'll still have 1/2 step left. And let's check that out. 3.5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a spot for us at 1/2. That's D. And then finally, negative 3.5 minus negative 2.5, which is the same as negative 3.5, plus positive 2.5. So we're going to reduce 3.5's negativity by 2.5. So we're going to go up 2 and then 1 more half. So from 3.5 up 1, 2, and 1 more half to negative 1. And this does equal negative 1. So that's E. There you go. And